What is going on YouTube? Crypto for Change here. My name is David, and today we're going to be taking a look at Algorand price action, some big news dropping, as well as why I think Algorand could be over $100 in the coming years. So you'll want to make sure you watch all the way to the end so you see why I believe that. Do me a favor and smash that like button, guys. Turn on the notification bell and subscribe if you have not already, and let's jump into it. So first off, guys, we are going to start over here on CoinMarketCap. We're going to take a look at Algorand's price as of today, which we are sitting right now at 70 cents, which I believe is a massive steal in price for Algorand. Not financial advice, do your own research. But guys, we actually did see something pretty crazy today, which was Algorand dip below 67 cents. Now, if you're new to my channel, why is that important? Well, last summer, Algorand hit 67 cents 3 separate times. I know with this view that CoinMarketCap has, it doesn't really show, but if you just switch over to TradingView, you'll see right here that Algorand touched that 67 cents area of support 3 times, and even back on a previous bull run, that was where it got rejected. So that area right there was very important. And on this recent downtrend, we touched it once, and then we touched it twice today, but we did go below it. Now, I will say this was a wick down below it, because if you look as of today, we are back above 67 cents, closing at 70 cents or above that. So it could be bullish for the short term. I'm not going to speculate there, but I do see the area that we're in with Algo as a very good area to dollar cost average in, or maybe even start a position if you're someone who is new to Algorand. I would recommend going and doing some research. I have tons of videos on Algorand and its entire ecosystem, so make sure to go check those out. But let's jump into some of the news that we have out here for Algorand. One of the big ones is FTX US will be listing Algorand spot market for trading. Now, this is huge, guys. The trading is going to start tomorrow, April 26th, as I film. As this video comes out, it will be the day, 2 p.m., and the trading pairs will be ALGO USD and ALGO USDT. So that is another huge grab, guys, for Algorand as far as getting the name out there and getting more people exposed and being able to trade Algorand. And if you look, guys, if you go to CoinMarketCap again and you look at the top exchanges, just to show you, FTX is number 3 right now. Algorand is also already listed on Coinbase, so that is good, and they have plenty of other top 10 listings out there, but there's still work to be done in getting more exchanges to list Algorand, to be able to trade it, stake it, hold it, and all of those, so that more people can learn just about what Algorand is and what it's doing in the blockchain space. Now, another bit of news, guys, is BTC Turc. They also are listing Algorand trading pairs starting on Wednesday 27th. At around 12 p.m. So they're going to start theirs. And this isn't as big of an exchange as FTX. Obviously, FTX is the big drop of information that we got so far this week. But nonetheless, guys, more people being able to trade Algorand is bullish in my case. Now let's jump to another set of big news, which is the Crypto Bahamas SALT Conference. Now, this is a very big yearly conference. This one's being held down in the Bahamas. It's going to have tons of leaders in the crypto space, the TradeFi space, also just influential people like Tom Brady and the like. So this is going to be a huge event down in the Bahamas where they're going to be talking a lot of amazing things. And the reason why it's bullish for Algorand, guys, if you look at the agenda here, on the first day, obviously the first day is Tuesday, but that's just a bunch of party and, all the rich people just getting together and probably just talking it up. But Wednesday is the actual first day of the big events. And as you'll see on that big event, right after the Crypto State of the Union address by Sam Bankman-Fried, who is the CEO of FTX, you get the dialogue Ready Layer 1. A dialogue with blockchain protocol pioneers. And guys, this is a star-studded lineup. This is going to have the co-founder of Solana, the chief executive officer and founder of Ava Labs or Avalanche, and it's going to have the co-founder of the Near protocol alongside yours truly, Algorand's best, Silvio Micali. Now, this is the founder of Algorand. He is a brilliant computer scientist, Turing Award winner. Make sure you go watch some videos and learn about who this guy is. I recommend a great interview by Lex Friedman where he interviews Silvio Micali. Amazing guy, very brilliant, and it's going to be moderated by the president of FTX US. But nonetheless, guys, this is huge because this is going to, again, put Algorand on the stage with the top contending layer ones that are up and coming, and which I think have the potential to steal a lot of market share away from the big ones that are up there, like Ethereum. And so super excited for this conference. I wish they would be streaming it, but I do not believe they will be. So I'll be following them on Twitter, which is where you can also follow them for updates as the SALT conference progresses and as they drop hints. I'm sure little tidbits, clips maybe of people talking. So make sure to go follow them. And you could also probably follow Anthony Scaramucci, who is the co-founder of not only the SALT conference, but Skybridge Capital, which we're going to talk a little bit about that. He also does have a podcast called Mooch FM where he talks cryptocurrency, politics, and also Algorand, among other things, which is also bullish. And we're going to touch on something Scaramucci said at the end and which will be one reason why I believe we could see Algorand above $100, guys. So stay tuned. Jumping into some of that information, what did Skybridge just announce? Well, they just announced that Skybridge is going all in on crypto, betting on tremendous growth. And like I said, this is Scaramucci. This is his hedge fund. Skybridge Capital is working on pivoting the majority of its assets under management to digital assets as the sector represents tremendous growth. The hedge fund was founded by former United States politician Anthony Scaramucci in 2005 and first delved into Bitcoin in late 2020. The firm also has money deployed in other hedge funds, late-stage private tech companies, and real estate, with a total AUM reported being around $7.3 billion. And Skybridge now manages a $7 million Bitcoin fund, among others, and has been actively working to get a spot BTC exchange-traded fund approved by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. I'm pulling for you, Scaramucci. I hope you get that done because that is bullish for the entire crypto ecosystem. Speaking with Bloomberg, in the lead up to the annual Skybridge Alternatives Conference, or the SALT conference that we just talked about, Scaramucci said that the firm is repositioning itself to eventually be a leading cryptocurrency asset manager and advisor. And this is big, guys, because Scaramucci, obviously he's big on Bitcoin. He is a very big proponent. He was at the Bitcoin conference in Miami, but he's also bullish and he's big on Algorand. He was at Decipher last year where I got to meet him, say a few words to him, learn a little bit from him, but he's super bullish on Algorand, and we're going to touch on another article that was released last December where he shows how bullish he is. Continuing on, though, he says, we made a decision during the pandemic that we had to relitigate our entire portfolio. There's a pre-pandemic world and a post-pandemic world, he said, and a post-pandemic world has a lot more government deficits. It has a lot more uncertainty related to growth, and that's why I think they're pushing towards this crypto because of the growth that could come in this industry. And he says, for us, we think cryptocurrency markets represent tremendous growth, and it comes with volatility, certainly, but they think over the next 3 to 5 years that they like the trajectory. And I completely agree. I love the trajectory. And it does go on to say that the bullish comments come just weeks after Scaramucci noted that the blockchain industry has a very bright future. And I do believe that Algorand will be a key part in that blockchain future that we are moving towards very, very fast. So going on to that that other article that I hinted at with Scaramucci, and it's this one. He said, on the record, I even believe at Decipher, but also this came out a little after, but Algorand can flip Ethereum, says hedge fund manager. Anthony Scaramucci, founder of global investment firm Skybridge Capital, believes Algorand could surpass Ethereum. Now, Algorand is a blockchain platform based on proof of stake, although it's by Silvio Micali standards called pure proof of stake. Yahoo, you might want to fix that. Principles supporting smart contract functionality. Its ecosystem has committed to becoming one of the world's first carbon-negative Layer 1 public blockchains, and Scaramucci explains why his firm launched a $100 million partnership with Algorand. The Skybridge Research Department thinks that Algorand actually has the opportunity to potentially flip Ethereum. They go on to say it's faster, has lower transaction charges, and so something like Algorand is something they're putting a lot of money and resources in. He also went on in this article and at the Decipher event to say that if Algorand's community continues to develop, its potential could be similar to Google when the technology company emerged on the scene in 1998. As the community develops, he says, I think we're sitting on something like Google. You and I are old enough to remember when Alta Vista and AOL were the leaders at the nascent stages of the internet, and they were trumped by Google. So he is saying that he sees Algorand as the tech that could come in and disrupt the current status quo that we see in the blockchain industry, and with the powerhouse that is Ethereum and how much market share and money is in that network. He thinks that Algorand could come in and flip that. And just so you guys are aware, if Algorand was to come in and really flip Ethereum, guys, we'd be looking right here at a $53.98 algo per algo. And that right there, guys, is massive. And that is currently where ETH's market cap is now. But ETH's market cap was actually quite a bit higher. And I do feel like Ethereum, Bitcoin, the overall crypto markets are going to continue to grow as more things come on chain and are put on a blockchain. And, more value is going to come to these. And so it wouldn't be crazy to see something like Ethereum's market cap double from where it's at now, and Algorand still continue to grow to even right now past where, say, Bitcoin is. And if that was to happen, guys, if Algorand was to get where Bitcoin's market cap is, you would be looking at a current algo price of over $100. And that's when you go back and you look at this price right here of 70 cents, and you see why I think there is a massive discount right now in the crypto space. Not many people have eyes on Algorand. I have been following it from very start of when I got into crypto. I haven't really looked elsewhere because once you really do the research and you see what Algorand is, I really do believe, just like Scaramucci says, you will see what its potential is, and that it could be like the Google coming into this tech scene and disrupting a space where maybe there were others that were strong and capable, but Algorand can become that next blockchain to steal some of that market share from the big dogs out there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and turn on that notification bell. Also, be sure to join me, JT Invest in You, and C-Will on Mondays and Thursdays at 1 p.m. as we go live on Twitter and on YouTube. We discuss all things Algorand, guys. Make sure to follow each of us. We love talking and doing research and bringing all of that to you guys. So make sure to come join us, hang out, and jump into the Algo fam as we continue to cruise through 2022 and build the future of finance. Until next time, guys, let's get out there and make some money.